The first and only of its kind, the ZBox drawer system combines the well-known, trusted Zargen metal drawer side with a full extension, 100-pound rated side mount ball bearing slide. The ZBox system is the only solution for fast and efficient drawer box assembly, while also meeting the specification requirements of a 100-pound full extension ball bearing slide. ZBox is also a patented design that meets grade 1 testing requirements, making it an ideal solution for commercial and institutional casework. So let's take a closer look. Now, the primary advantage of the ZBox system is the time and labor savings of drawer assembly. With a grash drill and insertion ram, you can assemble a drawer box in 2 minutes or less. And a big part of that is the integrated pre-mounted dowel fixing brackets. You can also drill your drawer fronts in the same location, regardless of drawer height. And this makes for simple drilling layout, whether you're using a simple drilling machine or if you're in a big operation that has a CNC. Another advantage is the integrated cam adjustments. You have height adjustment of ±2 millimeter range and side adjustment of ±1.5 millimeter range. And that's going to give you perfect overlays and uniform gap spacing whenever you have frameless cabinetry. You also have an easy release lever that disconnects the drawer from the cabinet. You simply press on both sides the release lever shown here, and this releases the drawer from the cabinet. And when you close the drawer, there's a hold-in detent that gives you a nice secure closing every time. Also available in the ZBox program are filing systems. So we have a railing system here for files that's perfect for the office environment, dentist office, a dormitory, any office environment. And we also have an organization railing system that looks like this, where you have these easy clip-in pieces and you can adjust them wherever you'd like. It also makes for a deep drawer as well. The ZBox system is proudly assembled in the USA, and the Zargen metal drawer side is 100% made in the USA. We thank you for your time during the ZBox presentation. Hope you enjoyed it. And remember, the assembly of ZBox is easy as 1, 2, Z.